Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the forecast discussion for January 8th, 2015. It's a Thursday. We're getting towards the end of the week, and it's been a brutally cold week. And this morning is, well, it's just ridiculously cold. Temperatures this morning range from the single digits below zero to the lower teens. The warmest locations in New York City around 11 degrees. The wind chill is around -8, -9. Bundle up. Wear scarves, gloves, hats, parkas, portable heater. I don't know. It's just cold. Very, very cold. And it's dangerous out there. So use some extreme caution here when you're outside. Do not spend a long period of time outside. And whatever you do, if you see someone outside, unfortunately, who cannot be indoors, give them a blanket, give them something, because this is bad. And also use some common sense when it comes to heating, the portable heaters and whatnot. There has been a lot of fire dangers out there, a lot of problems out there with fires, unfortunately, in urban areas because of portable heaters. So use extreme caution there. Only need one heater. I know it's cold out there, but again, there's been some problems with fires as well. I've been talking to some fire chiefs out there. So it's not pretty out there this morning, that is for sure, with temperatures in the single digits. But I do have some good news. We will be moderating back towards normal by Sunday. And with that being the case, we'll finally break freezing. Won't last long though, as we have another storm on the way thereafter. So let's take a look at what we have here in the forecast. As far as the radar is concerned, high and dry, clear out there. Watch out this afternoon for a few snow showers, and especially tomorrow with an Arctic cold front. Another potential for another area of snow showers with some snow squalls built in there. So it's something that we definitely have to keep an eye on. On the surface map, large, huge Arctic high pressure dominating much of the eastern two-thirds of the nation. Here is our clipper that will move through tomorrow with the threat for some snow showers. Some of those snow showers could produce a half an inch to an inch of snow in some locations, so we'll keep an eye on that. Snowfall like that, especially with being so cold out, can lead to some significant traffic problems, so definitely something we're going to keep an eye on. On the water vapor satellite picture, again, you can see our clipper approaching with some nice lifting here, and a nice broad deep trough over the eastern United States. Notice we don't have much blocking here in the northern Atlantic, which is very important for a storm that is coming up, which I'll discuss in a moment. On the infrared satellite picture, this right here represents cold air. This isn't cloud cover, this is all cold air. So you can see just how cold it is just by the nature of the infrared satellite picture showing the size of our Arctic air mass over the eastern United States. Now, as far as the model guidance is concerned, we're going to use the European model guidance from the Penn State Wall website. For today, again, high pressure generally in control. Watch out for a few flurries. Temperatures in the upper teens to lower 20s for highs this afternoon. For tomorrow, our cold front will move through with periods of snow showers, especially tomorrow morning. Some of those snow showers could be heavy, producing a half an inch to an inch, maybe a little bit more in some isolated locations. The visibility will fall below a mile in some locations as well during the middle of rush hour, so not very pretty for tomorrow morning's rush hour with that cold front moving through. Temperatures tomorrow range from the lower to mid-teens for lows, high temperatures in the upper 20s to lower 30s, so a little bit of a moderation in the temperatures, but still overall cold, that is for sure. High pressures in control for Saturday with scattered cloud cover. A few snow showers are possible. Temperatures again in the single digits to lower teens for lows. High temperatures in the lower to mid 20s throughout the entire region. On Sunday, again, a little bit more of a moderation. High pressure shifts off the coast. Another Arctic cold front is on the way. Temperatures range from the single digits to lower teens for lows. High temperatures in the lower to mid 30s. That cold front will move through on Monday with scattered snow showers, possibly mixing in a little bit of rain right over southern New Jersey, as well as temperatures rise into the mid to upper 30s very briefly. Then things get interesting. as waves of low pressure develop along this cold front on Tuesday with some periods of light snow. Wednesday, we get more of a scattered snow shower effect. And then notice we have an area of low pressure developing over the southeast coast. And how these disturbances interact will tell us exactly what to expect with a storm potential for next Thursday that could basically introduce the potential for significant snowfall or a wintry mix along the coast and a significant snowfall over the interior, depending on how these disturbances interact right here. Notice though there really isn't much in the way of blocking here in the northern Atlantic. So again, it's going to have to be a perfect setup, perfect interaction, which is possible. So we're going to watch this storm very, very carefully as we move forward. And then depending on how this storm develops, tells us where we go from the next 9 to 10 days after that. As that low pressure system intensifies, does it force the polar vortex down to the south, creating a deep trough like what we saw at the last mile run? Or is the storm focused further to the north and east, leading to some blocking over Greenland, but we end up with more of a zonal pattern? So there's a lot of questions still in the weather pattern overall, a lot of changes on the way. But one thing's for sure, it's going to be pretty cold over the next couple of days, and then stormy as we get towards the beginning and middle of next week. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Thank you for following NYNJPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.